whaamalulu atu I lau sila mai lunga o tātou penga ta whailangi Samoa. Ia taluai ona o tātou mea whaapapale sa whaapapa mai lunga le maunga o vaia. Ia na whaafose ia ai ona motisia le so ta inga tātou ma lunga o penga ta whailangi. Ia leo whai o mai i ngā tai whare tonu o le whale tari malo le tau mesina. Ia le tātou whaapapa nei aso. Ia moli atu lava whaamanianga le tau sanga fau le malo le atunu o Samoa nei a meise le malo le atunu o lo alala mpapa au I New Zealand, Australia, Amerika. Fia lava stafa ne kilope o lo e mafuta mai ai. Moli atu lo whaanga mai lo nei tangata. Po kalame le maota Samoa o vi ingo le ATUA mai Australia. Baba tolu ma le po kalame le iwa fates le kofa mo iwa fates I ma le fa tesi ma le tolu o lo whaatautai le afionga I ia atano Crichton mai se fo I le pulenga o tangata mai mo mai fafo le touristi Samoa I mātou te whaamanuia atua I tausanga fo le manua Samoa uma ia la tua tu le afionga le tapa au whaasina ia to le afoa ia wasana saunoanga o mato le afoa kua kuia
o te loa lewa mai atu ia mea whapapai tonu tango nei ia I ngang molunga le whatawa ai whai masui o le ato pokalame o le foundation pe I ona sa ngoi poi le whionga tatu ia polisung whai anu uwa pe foi le whionga ia atanoa le pule tātou kou whamo ia pole iwa spuma tasi FM I tono sa mua tonu tango o woma panga uma lava tātou Jennifer Foundation I Australia ia whaamanui atu tausanga fau tonu Samoa te loa toi toli tu la ia na whapenan tausanga fau tonu Australia manisi vaenga I te tonu Amerika o le lato tausanga fau mo le Australia manisi lava nu uma lava laulangi e mamoli atu le nganga fia mananga Part3 o tonu mai tonu Samoa nei ia se le manei o tonu mai ia mo I lava sati munga si o tātou watu nei ia le ia se me sili lava mati munga o timu le whamanianga ma le tūlai mai o le lua se fulu ma le lua se fulu po le 2020 o te loa o le nganga mawalua lava fia I o mato whasalau atu nei Samoa o mato whasalau atu nei tātou atu no moni lava mea na whanau tātou mātua o tātou mātua tātou tupuanga ma tātou whasinamanga le nganga mawalua lava manua lava tausanga fau Whaatai lava maula wamnoa.
And we thank you very much for watching, and we apologize for that short break in internet, and we have to go off air, but nevertheless we like to take this opportunity to thank each and everyone for watching us on YouTube tonight. The MAOTA Samoa Jennifer Foundation in collaboration with Go FM 94.3 here in Samoa and MAOTA Samoa and Jennifer Foundation from Sydney, Australia, and we collaborated with the Samoa Tourism Authority office here in Apia, and we were able to bring to you some of the events happening here in Apia, Samoa. And with that we say good night, and from here in Apia, good morning from Samoa, and good night to all those folks on the other side of the world. And just before we go, we would just like to thank the good folks at Taxi canned drinks, the 5 flavors they offered tonight. You saw them earlier. And also Chrissy Snacks. We thank you to Charlie Aliki, the Engele, and Caroline. We thank you for the sponsorship that enable our broadcast to go ahead. And don't forget to buy the new cans for taxi drinks from Aliki, the good people here at Taula Beverages in Samoa. And if you're visiting Samoa from from overseas as well, please, yeah, have a can of Tola beverage, yeah, including the stronger ones. But also I'd like to say whawhetai lava to Business System Limited at Taufusi, Lotopa and Salulonga, to the good people at Business Systems Limited. Good morning to Carol and Maylan and the good folks at Business System Limited, and we wish you a very, very great 2020. Afionga Amasoe at Apia Concrete Products at VIIGA, we thank you for your sponsorship, and we look forward to working with you in the next year. And the good people at Petroleum Services, we would like to thank you, Petroleum Services. We thank you very much for your assistance as well. We would like to say good morning and thank you to Sunrise Restaurant here in Apia. We thank you for your support through your donation, and we appreciate that very much, your patronage of Go FM, Jenny Foundation, MAOTA Samoa, and we're very, very thankful for that. And apart from that, the good folks at BBS, we thank you for your support. And with that, I think we're concluding from here our coverage of the 2020 Welcome 2020 concert and a fireworks display from here in Apia, Samoa. And I think we're just about finished now. We've gone over time, but nevertheless, that's why internet is good. We can talk on and on and on. But nevertheless, we thank you very much for your company over the last few hours. And I would like to thank the team, the MAOTA Samoa team from Sydney, Australia. We'd like to thank Afionga Tolea Foa and also Afionga Anu, and Mike the man. Thank you. And traveling all the way from Sydney, Australia, to enable this broadcast, so you can actually see what's happening from here, what's happening in ground, on ground here in Apia, Samoa. And till the next time, we will hope to see you this time next year here in Apia. And I'll now pass it over to Lea Foa. But thank you. Ia ole tātou whasalalonga le nai le neitu la ole fiafi mo te ratu whawhtai e le taxi, le vaino le taxi, le ua tu apaina nei, ia ole Chrissy Snacks o le Business System Limited, ia e ngata i leo le Island Rock Company whawhtai sua, whawhtai tu o pepe, a Fionga Masoe i le Apia Concrete Products, ia e ngata le na o le Petroleum Products and Services o i nei Apia nei PPS, ia e whawhetai atu i le sosoani me po i le mātou whasaralonga, ia e mō mai le lumamota o le malo i le nei po i taiao o le taiao le nei o le asalulu le asumuamua o le masino i anuari lua ke lua se folu tātou tue whelua i se taimi o i lunga o le tātou pokalame le nei. Aula tuatu le no le firma ia tole fore o mafatas tole fo.
Thank you, Noah. On behalf of myself and Ilana Noah and Mike from all the way from Australia, thank you very much for inviting us to come and just help out to help in our to live something in Samoa. Normally our stuff is always post, but we live to live, so the people will see what's exactly happening right now. So the last 5-10 minutes the internet was off because the firecracker was on. But anyway, thank you very much, Atanoa. This is the first time ever I got an opportunity to come all the way from Australia. I normally film all the church music and all God stuff. Finally changed last minute when we met last time and we talked, and you asked me what do I think about live in Samoa. So I it's taken me 2 weeks to put myself together and put my son Mike and Inganoa. Is our programs of MAOTA VIIGA. They still come all the way from there. And thank you to the STA for the Samoa Tourist Authority for to help to bring us here in their sponsor. Thank you very much, Atanoa. I know we start small, and I know all the support of the Jennifer Foundation. Probably next year we can do much better. I couldn't believe I do 4-man's job today. I do the video, I do the setting, I do all the choirs, and I give the supper to everyone. So now I thank you, Lord, for the 2020. I do something much better, bigger what I done before. Le anganga maulunga le Atanoa. Le anganga fia for I love support Jennifer Foundation. Mesi lava I Australia. To tele yo support mai Australia, senior Australia. Ia whaftai whapitoa fo I male whiunga tau sala ia inganoa. Po le sunga NU. Ia watoa nei le lua tau sanga o mama futa I lunga le nei ngā venga. Ia te loa o mea na whaia le atua. Ma whaatuta, ma whaatasi e male whiunga I inganoa I nei whai pokarambe. Ia lewa tātou tō tolu nei. I masalo po le tau sanga o tō whārta tō team. Ia o atu le tau sanga a me tātou le atua. Ia ua tua iwa se lau tātou team. Ia whaftai tele lava mo lava noa Atanoa.
Malo mo saunoanga whaaloalo lo whiunga te pau whaasina to le afoa. Ia whapea fo I saunoanga whaaloalo le whiunga le alipule ia Atanoa Crichton o le kou wha mo iwa whaate si male tolu. Mo le atu whamanianga o le tausanga fo I se o ainga whapelepele I sala ilua. I le au saati ia I sala ilua. Ia e mai se fo I le ainga sasawa ina ia. Le ainga sa le ala itawhea manuia le tausanga fo e mai se o tātou nuu whapelepele I sala ilua. Mai se fo I se o nuu I whale apuna solo lufi. Ia mamoa manuia lava le tausanga fo. Ia o le whai unga na o tātou porkalame mo le nei tausanga. Lua fulu ua tātou aulia. Ai mo le nei taimi mai mua MAOTA o Samoa I Samoa nei. Mātou te whātou whā alo I atuai. Mai le whiunga le alipule ia Atanoa Crichton. O le kou wha mo iwa whaatesi ma le tolu. Whapea fo I le whiunga I le tapau whaasina I ato le afoa. Le alipule le Jennifer Foundations of Samoan Worship Song. TV lunga upenga te whailangi malo o nei tangata. Ai o ai no u ilinga noa li tia sawa inaya. Mai le MAOTA Samoa VIIGA le ATUA I sini Australia. So I fua ia Samoa and good morning.